Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the pentagonal prism of base 30 mm and height 60 mm, which is resting on its base corner on HP in such a way that the axis of the prism is inclined 40 degree to HP. So at first we draw the XY line and we can mark it as X, Y. Now we need to draw the pentagon over here in such a way that on the right side we have to point out a corner. So this is the baseline. Now we need to plot the angle 108, 100, 110. Here is the 108. This angle 108, and over here from here 0, here it's 108. Now again we can mark the distance with the angle 108. From here we take the angle 108 and plot the angle from here 108. Now we need to draw the front view of the pentagon. So that total is 60. The height, we can connect these 2 points and we can check for the perpendicular. Yes. Now we need to name. Here we are giving the name A1, B1, C1, D1 and E1. Here it is A, B, C, D. So at first we can mark it on the top view. A1, comma A, B1, comma B, C1, comma C, D1, comma D, E1, comma E. Here the suffix 1 we can use. So at first B1 dash comma A1 dash. Here C1 dash comma E1 dash. Here it is D1 dash. Similarly, here B dash comma A dash, C dash comma E dash, here D dash. So we mark the 10 corners, 5 on the bottom and 5 on the top. Now the axis is inclined 40 degree to HP, so the axis is parallel to the lateral side. So we can show the axis over here and we can take the complementary angle, or for that we can mark the distance. This is the axis. We can mark it as O comma P. We can check the perpendicular and draw the axis. We can mark it here. So this axis is inclined 40 degree to HP. So we can take the complementary angle on the line AD for 50 degree. So we mark the point here, that is the D dash, and take the angle 50 degree. 90 minus 40, 50 degree. So this is the line D dash A dash. Just draw it here, and we can mark the distance. We can take from here and mark every distance. So this is O dash and P dash, and we can give the names. Here it is B dash, A dash, P dash. Here C dash, comma E dash. Here it's D dash. So we mark all the points over here. Now with the help of the body diagonal, so this is the body diagonal. With the help of this line, we can use the body diagonal on the opposite side also. Now we take the distance 60 from here. Sixty from here, and close the loop. Now we can mark the distance over here also. So this is D1O. Here this is D1 C1. So we can give the names. Here this is B1 dash comma A1 dash. Here it is O dash. Here C1 dash comma E1 dash. Here D1 dash. So we just tilt this figure over here, and this is the body diagram. We can mark it here also if needed. Now we need to draw vertical lines from each corners. Now we have to draw the horizontal lines from here. So we can plot the points. So here A, and this is the point A. So this is A. Here B, plot to here it's B. C, it's over here C. D is over here, and E is over here. Similarly, here this is A1, here B1, here C1, here D1, and here E1. So we match every points, total 10 points. Now we need to complete the outer lines, join the outer points here, join the outer points. So we complete the outer points. Now we need to find out the hidden edges. So here D dash is the point. So when we look from here, we can't find out the D dash on the top view. So D, there will be three lines from D, that is DC, DE, and D1. So that will be hidden. So we mark the distance over here, the dotted lines. After that, we can complete remaining points, that is visible one, with thick lines. Now we can mark the dimension and mark the angle. So this is the axis line. Here it is 40 degree, and the complementary angle we take is 50 degree. You can mark the distance. So this is 30 and this is 60. So all the dimensions given as plotted here and the angles. Thank you.